Here we go today, the unboxing of the brand new Nez du Café coffee flavor aroma vial kit. And so this is something that is now going live on the store. You can go to sca.training to the lab and you will find this complete new kit. Here we go. Let's get this open. All right, Nez du Café, here we go. This reminds me of my Lord of the Rings or Harry Potter book set. You know, we kind of have the Hobbit and 3 book series. No, this is a beautiful new package and program for the Nez du Café coffee aroma vials. And so included in this, we have new and updated scents. We also have some of the old existing scent included in here. There are 60 aroma vials, and for those of you who are trainers, they even have aroma vial covers. So this is really handy. We used to have to tape over with masking tape to rather not let the students see what color was in the vial, because you might be able to guess this is caramel, judging by the dark chocolatey caramel color. So in here there are 3 sets with 60 aromas, and there are aroma cards. So we'll still have from our coffee flavor wheel the floral and fruity, the sour fermented, green vegetative, other, roasted, spices, nutty, cocoa, and sweet. So this is where we have some expansion. Let's just dive into these real quick. All right, so 3 booklets of coffees, and then a beautiful bound book. So if you have an old 36 vial for the Nez du Café, it's still good, it's still in use. This new 60 vial is just expansive to incorporate a greater volume of the flavor wheel and our flavor attributes. It's also more aligned with some of the Robusta coffee categories, as Robusta is gaining greater recognition within the specialty coffee industry. Really handy booklet on how to use the vials and different activities that you can do. You know, sniffing blind, recognizing, testing a friend, identifying, setting up your own kind of test from the total kit. Many of the things that we use as SCA trainers, as Q graders, and coffee control professionals. All right, so how about this book? We have the introduction and kind of the creation, Nez du Café, the new generation, why and how they have updated this, assessing coffee qualities. And so this is a coffee table worthy booklet, something that you keep out and present. New understanding and explanation of the physiology, orthonasal, retronasal, different ways that we smell fragrances and aromas, the way that we taste and experience coffees. It's a multi-sensorial event, not just smelling, not just tasting, but all of our senses that go into play. So you're gonna love reading through this book. I'll do that separately. This is wonderful too. We even have a breakdown of some of the sour and fermented, all the categories, green, other, roasted, and helping us understand what kind of chemical compounds go into these. And so you can see here a beautiful breakdown inside this booklet. All right, so within each of these, again, wonderful. This is very travel friendly. I'd say this is more travel friendly perhaps than a big wooden box. It's actually, I think it's lighter as well. I loved the old wooden box, but this new kit, here we go, look at that. So paper and foam, a little bit easier to transport rather than the wooden boxes. Here we have cards for each of these. So, you know, here I have my sweet vanilla roast, related aromas, the woody chocolate, toast, hay-like, caramelized, explanations, photos for all of these. There you go. All right. And within each of these is, like I was saying, this nice little way to wrap vials. And so by sliding this over the vials, I can hide the fact that number 49, being this nice golden amber color, that might give it away. And so what I can do is I can just have this reusable sleeve that will slide on and off, and I can label this sleeve with a testing code. I can label this sleeve, B12, and no one knows what a B12 is. And by coding your vials, then you can remove some of the impression that would come from that color. All right. So here we have 41 through 60 inside of the roasted spices nutty cocoa sweet. Even categorized, we have a whole family with sour fermented green vegetative and other, and then we have a whole beautiful, everyone's favorite is going to be that floral and fruity. All right. It's kind of nice too that the three are separated, because before you would open up your 36 vials and the whole kit might start smelling like rubber or smoke or apple. And so in this way, we can at least identify, we've got a roasted kit, we've got a sour green kit, and we've got a floral fruity kit. Really excited to release these naturally because they're 60. They are more expensive, but they're more inclusive of the coffee family. And this will be part of the new direction that we're heading into with the CVA, with the Q, with the SCA training courses. But the 36 aroma vials will still be in use, highly applicable, highly useful for calibrating with your team, for communicating across cultures and across boundaries about coffee, aromas, and fragrances. And there's even an introductory kit with only 6 aroma vials. So very affordable, easy to step into if you want 6, if you want the 36, or if you just want to go all in with the 60. You have options. Thanks for checking it out, and be sure to visit SCA.training. You can get your Nez du Café, any one of those 6, 36, or 60 at the store. If you have any questions about Nez du Café or anything sensory coffee related, reach out to me. I'd love to help you out. Until next time, see you.